What's going on, everybody? We're down here on Knief Road. Got the lovely Kayak with me. I'm gonna get in over here. I'm gonna do some fishing. Hopefully, there'll be some good fishing. Typically, I like to get out here earlier than 8 o'clock. It's 8:30. I got me a small little dock rod and some bread. Should be quite adventurous for catching carp on a small dock rod. I do have a fishing net as well, just in case it gets a little out of hand. So, see you guys out in the water here in a second. Alright, we're locked and ready. Got my anchor tied, got my net here. Got my little Zebco dock fishing pole. And then we're gonna get in. Just like that. Get some bread. And we're going to cast out further away from this area. I thought it'd be fun catching carp on this little pole. It's going to be quite a feat. Usually you don't do small poles with carp. I'm not your usual person. Alright. And I'm going to pour this all in. Okay. We're off. Our little first fishing adventure here. A long while. I've done one once, and that was crazy. I didn't have an anchor with me, and the carp took me for a ride. Usually you'll see them early in the morning. See them. So this canal pretty much is a lazy river. Once I get past this little backdraft area, I'll be able to take and just let it drift. I don't want to drift too far because, you know, you move your bait and all that. So I'm just going to drop the anchor down and then cast out and then sit here for a while and then we'll move on if it doesn't bite. I got my anchor right here. What I really want to do is go down to that tree that's kind of in the water. And if there's any kind of scum floating on the surface, they'll be in that area. The wind's pushing away this way. It's fine. Not terribly deep here at all. I'm just gonna get in right here. And I'm just gonna lower this in nice and soft. There we go. Now we're anchored. And let's set the anchor. That way it's kind of, yep, there we go. I saw a fish right up there. Problem is now I'm gonna blow this way because of the wind, so I probably should have went up further. Let's do that. Otherwise it's gonna blow me this way. I don't want to be this way. That's why I got the anchor with me. I'll go up to the tree and anchor down and let it drift back. Can't believe how windy it is. If we catch one fish today, that's all I care about. Don't have to catch more than that. Be worth it. Get out here and enjoy the weather. And while we're here, we're taking, after we're done fishing, there's 2 tires here in the water. I'll tie them up and we'll drag them out of the water. Alright, so this is where I'm gonna put in at, and then we'll let the wind blow us. I'll cast this way, because that's where it's gonna be. Need a rod holder, not a rod holder, but a oil holder. I had one on the right side, but I took it off. I don't know what it was for. We're not going to use this oar right now. We're just going to sit here. And we're going to just relax. So they'll take and set their own hook, and hopefully they won't shoot this ride right out from underneath me. You'll be able to see the line. With any action, I'll get back to this. They're here. Not sure what kind that was. Me too. That's alright. Didn't catch any fish today, but it was a learning experience to working the anchor and all that. Setting that all up. So, yeah. Definitely will be back, and not in this area, but it'll be different spots throughout the canal, and this is going to be my next adventure play series, and hopefully I'll actually have some content that's worth anything for anybody to watch and subscribe. Can't get them all, that's for sure, so we'll try different things next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Go out there and get some fishing. Have fun.